Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle an interesting problem that might slip under the radar of many developers. The problem we're focusing on today arises when dealing with STD, shared_ptr and STD, weak_ptr and C++ code. Specifically, we'll explore how memory is managed when a STD, shared_ptr goes out of scope while a STD, weak_ptr still holds a reference to it. It's a tricky situation that can lead to unexpected behavior, so let's dive right into it. Now, let's talk about the solution to this memory management problem. When you use STD, make_shared in C++, extra memory is allocated to handle reference counting and the destruction process of the object. Even when the shared_ptr goes out of scope and the object is destroyed, the memory remains intact because reference counting is still needed for weak_ptrs. In this scenario, the pointed to object is destroyed, but the memory persists. This can lead to potential issues, especially if the object has a non-trivial destructor. It's a subtle yet crucial aspect of memory management in C++ that developers should be wary of. Solution aside, it's essential to grasp the intricacies of memory allocation and deallocation to avoid such pitfalls in your code. By understanding how shared_ptr and weak_ptr operate under the hood, you can ensure proper memory management and avoid potential bugs in your C++ programs. Remember, a solid grasp of memory handling is key to writing efficient and reliable code. So, keep learning and exploring new horizons in the vast world of programming. In conclusion, mastering memory management in C++ is a fundamental skill for any developer. By being aware of how STD, shared_ptr and STD, weak_ptr interact, you can prevent subtle bugs and ensure the stability of your code. So, keep coding, keep learning, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding,